How's it going, guys? My name is Rami. Welcome back to yet a really cool episode of RQ's Garage. And today, I got a really cool package. I love getting packages, guys. I got this a couple days ago. Let's see what's inside. So here we got the CarABC wireless USB adapter. This can make your car become wireless Apple CarPlay. If you have wired CarPlay and you just want to go to that wireless route, this bad boy can do so. Let's unbox it, see what we got, plug it in, let's use it, and let's review it, baby. Okay, so first and foremost, let's just look at the box real quick. Wireless USB adapter, CarABC. It has online upgrades, wireless connection, plug and play with a stronger compatibility with a lot of vehicles. It can do Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And some of the dimensions for OEM car converted wired to wireless, plug and play, non-inductive connection. It's a faster connection. Supports OAT upgrades and supports original vehicle button controls, which is that one's pretty cool. Some dimensions here. Connectivity is a Wi-Fi 2.4 gigahertz, Bluetooth 5.0, 70 by 70 by 22 millimeters. It's small and compact. Can operate in different temperatures. We have a USB-A to Type-C, and just some of the basics. But let's give her a go. So first and foremost, we got the manual. We got the actual unit itself, pretty compact. Looks like a USB Type-C connector right there. And a nice padding at the bottom, so it's non-slick. Underneath, looks like we got a Type-C to Type-C connection. And a Type-C to Type-A connection for some of the older vehicles. So not too bad, pretty compact. Let's go plug this in and let's give her a go.
Hey guys, what's up? So, we got our CarABC with some of our connections. First and foremost, let's turn on the car, then we'll plug it in. I will let the car run through its startup cycle with the screen and everything. So we got our CarABC, we'll plug it in. This just got a Type-A connector, so we use our Type-A cable. Plug that guy in. So it's got a little blue light on the CarABC connection. So it says SmartBox FA3 is connected to Vicky's smartphone, which is my mom's iPhone. Now we'll go to my mom's iPhone, and in her Bluetooth settings, let's look for the same exact one. There it is, SmartBox F3AE. We'll hit pair. We will allow contacts. Just like that, we got wireless CarPlay. All thanks to the CarABC. So this thing, it is actually not bad. It's kind of laggy, but for the most part, it's pretty good. I mean, let's go to maps here. Load up maps, totally fine. Text messages are coming in. I love this product. We now have official wireless CarPlay. Granted, this car does have wired CarPlay, so it's not like that big of a deal, but it's just that little extra ounce of convenience that makes this such a huge deal. I love it. For the investment, it is way worth it. I recommend this thing 10 out of 10.
All right, let's do this one more time. Connected. Boom. Smooth like butter, baby. You gotta love that. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If this video is helpful and it helped you know if this product's right for you or not, do me a favor and hit that like button below. It really helps my channel out and really helps this video blow up to the right people who are looking to purchase this item. If you're in the market for a wireless CarPlay adapter but you have wired already, this is my go-to. Guys, it's fast, it's easy, and it's relatively priced for exactly what it does. If you're looking to get something like this, I will link this exact product in the description below. I want to thank you guys so much for supporting my YouTube channel. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you, for the viewers looking at my videos. I love you guys so much. Even if this video has helped one person, I've succeeded. I love you. Thank you for your support. I'm Rami. This is RQ's Garage. I love you, and we'll see you on the next one. Ugh, I have to shave my beard.